Hi there, and welcome to this hypnosis recording by B Sharp. Welcome to this session on opening up to vulnerability for women, a recording which has been specially requested for this channel. In this session, we'll be helping you to break down any defenses or mental barriers that you've been holding on to, and helping you to learn how to open up to the power of vulnerability. Just like building muscles in a gym, breaking down old muscle and rebuilding it, we must break down the old mental paradigms that once protected us, but now no longer serve us. Now, let us begin. Please make sure that you're not doing anything that could require your full attention, such as driving or operating machinery, and just find a comfortable place where you can relax. A place where you feel completely safe and undisturbed as we remove these toxic defenses that you have depended on for so long now. Now, once you've found that place, just focus on a spot on the ceiling and allow your attention to settle there. And as you allow yourself to stare at that spot, you can just allow all that relaxation to flood into your body. And as you allow that relaxation to flood into your body all the way from your head down to the tips of your toes, you might begin to notice that your eyes begin to strain a little bit. And as you notice that, you can notice that relaxation in your body growing even stronger. And as you notice that relaxation becoming stronger all the way down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, you notice your eyes becoming heavier and heavier. Now you can just allow that feeling to loop around like a Scalextric track. Your body feeling more relaxed as your eyes feel heavier, and your eyes feeling heavier as your body becomes more relaxed. This sensation looping around and around, just like that. And now I want you to take in a deep breath and let it out. As you do, you feel that relaxation completely surrender throughout your body, feeling completely relaxed and safe. Now I want you to take in another deep breath and as you let it out, just allow your eyes to close. Allow that relaxation to flood all the way down from the top of your head, all the way down through your shoulders and chest and back and stomach, into your hips, down your thighs and all the way into the tips of your toes. Now that you're feeling completely relaxed, I want you to imagine yourself in a safe and relaxing place. This place can be a place you have imagined, or it can be a place from a memory. But as you imagine this place, I want you to imagine all the colors that you can see, all the things that you can hear, picturing any sensations against your skin, any coolness or heat. Just immersing yourself in this safe and relaxing place. Allowing that safe and relaxed feeling to flood all the way into every corner of your body. And now just allow that image, that place to melt away, and replace it with the image of a set of stairs going down. Now, as you take each step down, you're going to find yourself becoming 10 times more relaxed, 10 times more comfortable, and 10 times more appreciative of who you are and confident in who you are. Ten. Taking that first step. 9. 8. Going deeper and deeper down. 7. Just finding yourself going deeper and deeper at the rate which is right for you, regardless if that is 1% deeper or 100% deeper, or even 101% deeper. Whatever is right for you as you go deeper and deeper down to 6. Because you know that sometimes the 1% additions, building up over time, can make all the difference. One ripple in the water can create a tidal wave, and one cell you can't even see can blossom into a woman. 5. Going deeper and deeper, because the deeper you go, the better you feel, and the better you feel, the deeper you go. 4. 3. Feeling completely comfortable and completely safe. 2. 1. Completely safe and completely relaxed. Every great life has had in it a great renunciation. If you're listening to this, you're on the process of starting yours. This will be the hardest part of your journey, letting go of the shields that you have deliberately crafted to try and protect that little girl who felt lost and vulnerable and so massively rejected by the world. But you're not a little girl anymore. Beauty needs a witness. It is time to recognize in yourself that you're worth being seen, of being appreciated. It is time to let go of the ego shields and open up to the rebirthing power of vulnerability. So now that you're feeling completely relaxed and completely safe, you now find yourself standing in a pure white room. This room is a blank canvas to take any shape and any style that makes you feel most comfortable. In the center of the room is a great fire pit, burning with a bright green flame, the color of the energetic heart. And all around the room, you see that the room is covered in black shields. Maybe you're consciously aware of what some of these shields, some of these toxic protection mechanisms are. Or maybe you're not. But your subconscious mind knows what behaviors serve you and which ones do not. You see all these behaviors written on these shields. Maybe you create covert contracts, acts of reciprocity, where you only act as long as you get something in return. Maybe you hide your needs away from the world, believing that needs will leave you open to rejection and fill you with grief and guilt. Maybe you engage and put too much energy into seeking false validation, putting up false and surface level projections of yourself, believing that you're not good enough, just as you are. You go around, taking these shields off the walls and putting them into the fire. The fire burns so pure and so hot that it melts the shields away. And as you feel these shields melting away, you begin to recognize them for what they really were. Although they may have done a good job of protecting you in the past, you now realize just how much they were holding you back as a woman. As you go around, taking more of these protection mechanisms off the walls, you feel a bright, burning energy opening up inside your heart. This is your vulnerability coming to the surface. As you focus on this feeling, you may feel the need to shy away from it, but as you focus on it more and more, you can feel this bright energy welling up inside of you. And as your heart opens 1% at a time, you slowly start to feel its power. And if you can only open to it 1% at a time, this is perfectly okay. You do not need to be perfect. You are perfectly imperfect, just the way you are. And all your past fears and feelings of shame that have helped you to build these shields are not your fault. Knowing all this now, you are content with killing that little girl inside and allowing the woman, the goddess inside of you, to be reborn out of the vulnerability that you have welcomed to the surface. Allowing that green flame of compassion that dwells within you to be seen. Now, you can allow yourself to imagine a woman that is neither a bad little girl, nor is she a good little girl. A woman who accepts that she is imperfect, and because of this, she is far more perfect and attractive as a human. A woman who has no problems setting her own boundaries of what she believes to be right and wrong. A woman who respects herself and fulfills her own needs without apology or guilt. A woman who believes that at her core, she is built to be confident. She is built to be attractive. And she is designed to be feminine. And she does not need any external validation, materials, or approval, because it is already within her. Study this woman. Picture how she behaves day to day. How does this woman behave around men? How does this woman behave around other women? Once you have fully studied this woman, now step into her. Feel her healthy, intimate, and powerful way in which she loves herself. Feel how she accepts all her flaws and doesn't hesitate to put up healthy boundaries or do things for her own enjoyment. Feel all these behaviors flood into you as you become this woman. Now, you shall receive a trigger word that will allow your protection shields to melt away and fill you with all these feelings of this harmonious woman. And the word is love. Love for your own femininity. Love for all your needs, decisions, and actions. Love for your own masculinity. And if you can, love for all your insecurities that have made you the woman you are today. Now, in a moment, going to count from 1 to 5. And when I reach the number 5, you'll be wide awake and feeling really confident about who you are. 1. Feeling more awake. 2. 3. Starting to feel and become aware of the room around you. 4. Feeling your fingers and toes start to move. 5. Wide awake and feeling really good in the woman that you are right now.